If you're unsure about the concept of leasing a car, this video is for you. I'm Josh, the founder of Motorlet, an independent vehicle leasing broker. Now, if you're anything like me and you like having a fixed cost for something that isn't going to suddenly change overnight, leasing might be for you. Here's why. You can think of leasing as a long-term rental of a car. And unlike buying a car on finance, with a lease you simply give it back at the end, and if you want, start again on a new one. Here's how it typically works. First, you pick the car you want to lease, and then you pick your lease terms. This includes how long you want to lease it for. A typical time frame is anywhere between 2 and 4 years. Next, you decide how many miles you want for the duration and how much you want to pay up front. The more you pay up front, the less you pay per month, and vice versa. Like with everything, there's pros and cons to leasing. Cars depreciate a lot and can become costly when out of warranty. But all lease cars are brand new and come with a full manufacturer's warranty, which if you pick your lease terms right, will cover you for the whole length of your contract. Another benefit is because you're giving it back at the end, you haven't got to worry about depreciation. That said, if you do love the car and you want to buy it, you can request to do so at the end of your lease. They also come with at least 1 year's worth of breakdown cover, and road tax is included for the whole duration. Usually UK mainland delivery and collection is free of charge too. Those are some of the benefits, but like anything, there's a few things to keep in mind. Should you want to buy the car at the end and not go into a new car, unlike a PCP, you won't know how much they'll ask for at the end, if of course they agree to sell it at all. You'll also have to consider mileage charges, as all leases are based on a mileage allowance. But the good news is most agreements will allow you to increase your mileage mid-lease if you need to. The same goes for damage beyond excess. I hope this video has shed a little light on what can be a particularly complicated topic. If you need more help or you've got any questions, please get in touch or comment below.